Hi, my name is Letty McLeod, and I'm going to give you a little tour of how to clean a remodeling home. As we saw the blind and we saw how dusty the glass gets because of the remodeling, now we're going to do the window. Now the window we're going to start top to bottom, because if we start the bottom first, when we do the top, we're going to just drip dirt on the bottom one. The way that we do the window, you cannot just wipe it down like this or spray a glass cleaner over the glass in the remodeling jobs. Especially the remodeling, because what did I say before? The remodeling requires a lot of detail, and it's a lot of fine dust that if you just wipe it down, it's never gonna look really clean. Now remember, if you remodel, whatever you remodel, you want it to make it look beautiful. And it's also why people make changes in their houses, to make it look pretty. So pretend it's like when you're taking a shower, and after you're taking a shower, you just dress up yourself. You're not gonna look very clean or pretty. You have to have your makeup. Well, this is the makeup for the window. We're gonna just wash it, but listen what I said. I'm washing it. What do I use to washing it? I'm washing it with soap, water. This is a dish soap, Dawn dish soap, water, and this is a magic eraser. So what we're doing is we're washing the glass and also the frame, because the dust doesn't say, I'm just gonna go to the glass or to the blind. The dust is everywhere. Now, my suggestion is to do it one window at a time. Don't try to do both like I am doing it right now, because if this gets dry, it's more harder to clean it. Now we use the squeegee, rubber band right here, and the squeegee is an amazing tool because the squeegee is going to pull down everything, the dust, the soap, the water, faster and once. Now, see the motion I made? You can do it that way, you can do it this way, dry it, this way, dry it, or you can just do it faster. After you just pull all the soap and the dirt, you're just going to dry the edges. It's like if you took a shower, and this is clean, and you go all the way on the frame as well. And to make it shiny beautiful, your last touch on this glass window, it has to be your glass cleaner. Now, for me, 22 years of experience, best glass cleaner that your money can buy, this one. Spray away. Now, tip to you, don't spray it this way. Why? Because it splashes all over. If you do that, you can make this part dirty, or you can make the frame dirty. For me, I always tell all the people that work with me, spray on the rag. Now, I use microfiber a lot, but because this one requires drying quickly, I use a dirty cloth. So I spray it on the glass, on the rag, I'm sorry, and then I am just making it shiny because it's already clean. Just making it shiny, beautiful. And this is how we do windows. Now, please keep in mind, the best windows that we can have are the ones that have this plastic over here, because you can clean them from inside. And we're gonna do the same method. I just use the ladder, and I put the ladder right here to pull down the window while I am doing the same process. Squeegee, dry up the water, clean up the squeegee, and after you shower your window, we also want to clean the window sill. Make it look everything super pretty. Then we're gonna spray last, and a clean rag the spray with glass cleaner to make it shiny, beautiful. Please don't forget you have to have your ladder close to you so you don't waste your time trying to look how am I going to hold this window and then how am I going to pull it back together. And after it's done, the only thing we have to do is push the window back harder, making sure this is totally clean. Sometimes if the edges are really dirty, we can vacuum them. We can use a toothbrush on the corners to take all the dirt away from them. And then after that, you can see how clean our windows are, and we seal them. This is how we do the windows.